not in red. Today they are in white. Today they are led out by
And we now request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem of Belgium. Por favor, todo el mundo de pie para escuchar el himno de Bélgica.
With Den Bosch. My name is Tyron Barnard, and I'll be taking you through the game with
because I think normally you can it's really difficult to be that brave and to show this bravery. And
Iglesias, it does look like Spain are a little bit more settled so far. Paul wide. It comes to Lucia Jimenez, who does manage to get it off. It is Barrios, but it is wide. It comes in. Shot is fired in by Riera. Would be nice to get a goal on a milestone cap. Chance here, ball driven onto the baseline. Blanca Perez finds Barrios, but it's well defended. There's a play on here, and Belgium is under pressure here early on. It's come inside and just out of reach for Patricia Alvarez.
they are really showing aggressiveness.
Belgians. Purve puts it in. The shot is there once again from Van den Boer, but a deflection maybe instead of just the straight poke, but they go straight again. Clara Perez makes a save, rebounds, and it's gone in. I think Alex Ginia has got the touch to put it in. Yeah, it didn't look natural the way the ball went in. Oh, it did get under there, so it's all just about whether that came off the back stick. This angle won't help because the ball is behind the post as it passes. But Gigi, I heard when you were with Dan how good you were at these. It's up to you to make the decision.
I think it's so if you see it and you are sure, you really need to ask it, and of course your team needs to support you, because sometimes then you start, oh, I think it's leg.
Well, it's not a
body.
back stick at all, but it's a leg.
But it's a leg.
Yeah. It didn't seem, you know, in real time we both reacted that it didn't look like a natural movement of the ball on this occasion. Lucia Jimenez gives it away easily. Umbra has a chance here into the circle, and it's another penalty corner, clumsy challenge. Stephanie Van den Boer, but Umbra is on as well. Ballingame goes to Van den Boer, she goes with the drag. Clara Perez makes a save, Ballingame with the rebound. It comes in. It's a little bit of a skew pass, it goes back to the pusher, it's cleared on the line by Stephanie Van den Boer, and it's cleared. The shot goes wide after that. Chance for Belgium, driving inside, looking the angle, here it is, Clara Perez off her line quickly, and the pass back is not good enough. Beatriz Perez wins it there from Blockmans and starts an attack, goes inside, into the circle entry, shot wide.
The best, doing the best actions, but really working really hard for the team.
Van der Meyeren drives it inside, Ambra Ballade. Well, you know, as soon as she gets inside the circle, she's going to have a shot. Van der Meyeren brings it back.
And say it's dangerous.
She has a chance for Belgium. It's come from a high press. Can it come back to strike? No. They dribble around, too many touches in the circle, and that allows Spain to get away with it. Oh, she cuts inside beautifully. Finds space into the circle. Shot is saved well, but it's still there. Barrios!
Work from Spain. Blanca Perez is just eliminating two players and just putting the ball in the small circle. And here, I think Sara Barrios, even with no space at all, she could score. I think this goal is giving a lot of confidence and belief in Spain, because now they are.
Is the work engine that makes everything tick. Here is Lotte Engelbert. Belgium trying to find something. It's a circle entry shot. Clara. Oh, and that somehow stayed out.
In the structure, but obviously I expect a little bit more risky actions once you have break this press, and it's something that they.
Chance here for Spain. They drive inside. Patricia Alvarez. Chance here. Penalty corner advantage played, shot saved, it's on the line. Oh. Maria Lopez is there. Looks the the slap in, and it's saved again by Picard. She's had an incredible start, 5 minutes. Driven inside, Jimenez leaves it, and it goes Trapato.
Amazing.
Blanca Perez.
Combination.
There's a chance here for Spain. Torres Quevedo drives inside. She's gonna have the shot. Oh, Picard again. Oh, she's only played 7.5 minutes in this game, and she's won it and led a counter. Blanca Perez, who's going to support. A lot of Belgian shoots. That's a great ball
pass.
through. Chance here for Sara Barrios. Oh, Picard makes the save again. And a full transition from Spain. Cutting inside, Blanca Perez. The overlap was wide and she finds it. It's a wonderful ball up the right-hand side. Vidosa drives to the baseline. Chance. Oh, and it's a little bit of a snapped-at chance there. Just cuts it back. Finds Iglesias. It's Barrios! There was a slight hint of an early break there. Let's watch it again. Lifted. It's up. Ball will be played. Does Clara Perez kill it? No, she doesn't. It goes out for a long corner. That wide here to Brazil. Drives it in. The touch. Oh, it's a goal! They found it! Versavel. We will see now.
Great pass from Elaine, because she saw the space and then they had the connection. And of course, this tip in it really classy and really an amazing technique.
Well, unfortunately for Clara Perez, her touch was meaningful. It was probably going wide. If anybody comes to meet for a tackle, Renier goes inside. Arba! Whoa! What a goal! Golazzo here! Be critical of Clara Perez on the first one, but not on this. That ball was through the back of the net before she even had a chance. You called it, Lotzi Angba.
I think this is a really great, powerful shot. That's a brilliant tomahawk, and if it's hard, it's really difficult to see it. But yeah, great actions, because we have seen in a spectacular game. They are really prepared for Paris. They really need to.
To Paris, and they enjoy the celebration. Maria Lopez leading it. Fucking they're not running to into that knee anymore. And it is a honorary to Paris. Congratulations to our tournament winners, Team Belgium. Well, there will be photos throughout the evening. There will be formalities and more.